Alright, somebody asked about 120 part D, and this will be another good opportunity to practice U substitutions. So we'll let U equal the radicand, the expression under the radical sign, 100 minus x squared. We know that's going to be our choice because the derivative is negative 2x dx. And we have x dx. So we can do a nice substitution there. Let's just divide both sides by negative 2. And there's a substitution for x dx, negative 1/2 du. Alright, we are ready to do the u substitution into this definite integral. X dx is negative 1/2 du. So x dx will replace the blue parts with negative 1/2 du. And the square root of 100 minus x squared is the square root of u. The square root of u is u to the 1/2, and x dx is negative 1/2 du. I'm going to go ahead and change the variables of integration as well, the limits of integration. When it was in terms of x, 0 and 10 were x values. Well, now it's in terms of u, so we need to know u values. And what is the lower limit when x is 0? U is equal to 100 minus 0 squared, which is 100. And what is the upper limit when x is 10? When x is 10, u is 100 minus 10 squared, which is 100 minus 100, which is 0. So the answer to part D will just be the answer to this definite integral. So the antiderivative of u to the 1/2 is 2/3 u to the 3/2. We evaluate that at 0. We'll evaluate it at 100 and subtract. When u is 0, we have 0 times 2/3 of 0 minus this expression when u is 100. U to the 100 to the 3/2 is 100 to the 1/2 to the 3rd, and 100 to the 1/2 is just 10, and 10 to the 3rd is 1,000. So we have 2,000 over 3. Alright, so that's negative 2,000 over 3 times negative 1/2, which is positive 2,000 over 2 times 3, or 1,000 over 3. Alright, I hope this helped.